galorum tum gaddam lekudda agong godin seruba tajiel pemla mula mengken jidakna hiloga agom higi darka padu welfare society ngunuk pele loka menyup agom go hupsinam agom be ikulpa okka ngunuk agom gaddam tani mokhogo galogumin aralo hugodogo naruam tapaka dobe ijmenjina Arunachal West News ga Managing Director Advocate Dominate okka muga team naruam alujab mudakna inma ngo kurdo padu darka padu welfare society loka secretary okka ngoklak sigi Sri Raken Padu retired commandant mu DPWS loka president okka ngoka lagbukhigi Dr. Binduk Padu mu ngunuka DPWS ga senior member okka ngoka extreme right higi Sri Kenga Padu DPWS ga senior member okka ngoka hi laks ga higi Sri Horken Padu DPWS ga member okka aga Sri Kuke Padu mengunuka DPWS ga advisor nguga muga haga okka a extreme left aga Sri Gopin Padu mengunuka DPWS ga member okka hi naru member mo amin langam jila ma camera person hogo ajigo narum tu kenjit laka inma hiloga darka padu welfare society ngunuk agom men dunam higi galo higim galo gumin abiana hengamdu agom higi darka dolu loka padu rumtum naruga abo padu muga abga nengko yeru genealogy tolukhimaba darka padu welfare society ga agumam tajhimaba darka padu asabur kin petu namrum tum aralo agoma jupkuman ma darka padu namko ken loka asabra society angoba ilayetku akona darka padu welfare society oka naruga tolukhila lebanam ambdobage oka akudda padu au welfare society amla menla yedu inma higim ngunuk agong gaddam ngunuk aralo agma jup kumagem la galogu minam ngunu menjiba kam la him takajik bakam la ngunu mento inma oka ok agma ngo mezdang na ambila ngunuk agom na ruhigim ngunuk aralo mentar kunma ngunuk dolu hungorigo darka dolu am dugna gaddasin kababa khajila oksin banyup kumanam galo welfare society gaddam hupsujib kamla darka padu welfare society ngunu GWS ga president Sri Marnyat IS retired galo agom higim menkaji kuba kamla kumnama agam mu galo gumin naruga tadin kadin ba kajin tajin jitka amla expert committee go parlen jila munug report amsin GWS lo jiluk jito okko kuba mediation and reconciliation committee go parlen jila okka MNRC gadda kudda additional committee okka fact finding committee go parlen gad kula ani aksigoba 1 year aksigoba nganyap jilaku ok munug reportem President GWS Sri Marnya IS retired ga alaglo jilig gatkula hilo ngunug alaglosin mediation and reconciliation chairman committee ga chairman Sri Kenyom Dabu mu Darka Padu Welfare Society ok Padu Au Welfare Society ngunam officially ba jilig kunam aljab mu dagna ok lagaba ngo Darka Padu Welfare Society secretary go idla ngunug asabur Padu Au Welfare Society members narunun kum lamendagna hiloga lokka galogumin GWS galom yegdugna gadga hakna dinsna agomam hupsijila mainland jiroba Darka Padu Welfare Society ngunu agom memum takma hogo hupsidakna nunug agom memurmurgo katuyomsin agam naru agam apakpakula kaju malokoyumga abat gadga ye korgaiba kakenjaba yebam dubam ok dobam tubam hila kuchka amdagna allujaba paduauga yego dugo gola kuchka bogumauga kurilo ku ek dola mengoretmam term lajka ingoretmam term lajka ngoka agomam men dagla ngo Darka Padu Welfare Society naruga mendin ba hakna ngunug asabur agom kudurnam menyubjina galoga butbota gaddam ana doni abpolo ok abisorno gusisla dumpu ikenla dum toka amla kumlugdangna inma ngunug majiba thanks amla mudagnam Sri Marnya retired IS President GWS Sri Nyadar Loya Secretary GWS munya hakna committee go parlen jimayam galo aralosin higim agma hemadoy la pemla mudagna inma ngunug special thanks DPWS torob jitadang nama munug GWS ga parlen nam mediation and reconciliation loka chairman Sri Kenyom Dabu ok muga team members ga muam na menlenie him naruam un aljab mudagna nun yolo yelahim taidu padugad Darka Padu Welfare Society nun majib koik dang namla nunu tastolaka Sri Kenyom Dabu chairman MNRC engineer Boku Basar member secretary MNRC Sri Romjir Raksap member Sri Gad Ori member Sri Mibin Lendo member Sri Jumgo Ango member Sri Tojum Jirdo member Sri Yummi Gubu member Sri Nyumgam Kamgo member Sri Tapak Lendo member ok higi MNRC gad additional member go kotala idma galoga henpan butbot abun gadam hogola tala munsin meeting am dujla aliba kabam banjub jitu ok lagab additional member gadam sin aljab mudagna Sri Tabin Carlo member Sri Bunujirdo member Dr. Mitumboje member Sri Sengo Taipodia member Sri Ikendriba former minister member Sri Doya Ado former minister member Sri Gadam former MLA member Sri Horsen founder president Galo Welfare Society member Sri Luya president Bogumboka member ok hok mediation and reconciliation team ara loku fact finding committee ko molento fact finding committee ga desin finding itnam laga majiba munu ngalila aduna aga dis momam apaktorela fact finding aljab ijpa inma ok fact finding committee ga chairman Sri Domin Karbak Sri Gadori, Sri Jumarbam, Sri Toibasar, Advocate Kargobam, Sri Budu Jirdo, Sri Tapaglendo, o ka kupenda kayom sin nunu kupendak muma baka o ka kunam na ruam sin go alja bago DPWS torob loka pele loka nunam don pol jab mudak na inma ija ngo galogu bin nundam o ka yadgo AWN newsam channelam kadudu agam naruam go mengenji dakna hoka hilo ngunnam higi President Galo Welfare Society ने Mediation and Reconciliation Committee 2024 under the chairmanship of Sri Kenyom Dabu mug observation and findings report sambit namam hingun ng kopi hamba jihapa kom lanunam ngun katom dang na galo guminam inma hogo munuk summit tudma higi dated Itanagar 26 November 2024 oka mun parlen namlok kam munu kenlo jala summit tokbam la hijitu amin ma munu ka higi yadgo findings se ka du higi munu ringamja lakmadu inma mahim amma hoka observation and finding report by Mediation and Reconciliation Committee higim go ajinago galogu bina ngo ripajil pamu dakna inba higim sin close range local ne hagjip ka ok ngunu kenloga hoka Mediation and Reconciliation Committee loka chairman mu GWS President Sri Kenyom Dabo mu Sri Marnya etne higim summit namam Galo forum no ligispa ok clipping am sin higi AWN news sin malen la ligzel pa am request dang na lak tajit laka inma hogo observation and finding report passed by Mediation and Reconciliation Committee inma member ko dun sin tagabjip ka amigdom lako ngunden him ringamya na mag lako Galo Welfare Society owner la ajigo yobida ko hip hop jit kam go kumdak na observation and finding report passed by Mediation and Reconciliation Committee. A. The House unanimously adopted and thereby recommended the first finding committee's reports which based on the available documents, genealogical records and the traditional oral accounts presented by both groups concluded that they are of Galo origin and descendants of Ato Bogum, hence they are recognized as Padu Bogum Ao. Once again, go repeat dang na, concluded that they are of Galo origin and descendants of At Bogum, hence they are recognized as Padu Bogum Ao. B. Point number 2. The Mediation and Reconciliation Committee has observed that the earthly origin of Abotani, regarded as the father of the human race by the Galos, should be recognized as the foundation of the Galoic. Nenkoako Yerimolo. This is the genealogy from Husi, Hichi, Sichi to Bogum, Gumi, Padu. This genealogy shall be officially recognized as the origin of the Padu Bogum Ao clan. Therefore, the house does not agree with the existence of two genealogical branches within one family that shares the same DNA and parents. He munu kab points kab yakam illasin observation and finding report he anhi pedai inma narua higim report ijaga kulen mainland jinmam tasen du English ba enmam agdopsin nguga dolu asabo higim channelim ka na English ba men mam tapa kumanahin kaila pamla ngongu ga galogom bagba mens dang na the House unanimously adopted and thereby recommended the fact-finding committee's report, which, based on the available documents, in me hoke naru dukum loka naru dun gadda ham bagmam tolug hito fact-finding report, fact-finding hok narumu ye madar yada committee ga report tadkula base la dola ne kat tadkuam ok document ok genealogical record ok yeru molo ok traditional oral accounts presented by both groups ngu hok yona inamen nam ngu ga hok abat gadga uy monam ok nyun hage ok yona panam amnam panam mennam hek naruang kat kula aga kaka kunma concluded that they are of Galo origin aga hok yoya mensia ka ma munam manyu kunma anya galwa ok munu narua bogunga oparlok bogunga awani emla higi malenla iknam hence they are recognized as padu boguma ambiknam munang munu galogumne hogo munu agumam kat kula ngunu mensik taidang na ok ngun naru di hilo totem la ok tolug la mensdang na padu naru boguma ok galua ok padu naru bogum awam la menkendakku ok darka gadda na darka padu gadda ok the Mediation and Reconciliation Committee has observed that the earthly origin of Aptani, regarded as the father of the human race by the Galos, should be recognized as the foundation of the Galo Nenko Ako Yerimolo. Higi Mediation and Reconciliation Committee gadda munu nuriya motherla makanam aga higi Aptani lok nguga galogadga tani ne yoba tani mu ne bdu aga galo tani mu ap tani lokane na amla higim ne galoik galoga ne ko ako yeri molo higim yeri uyom ne husuga ok ngu higi galwa pugo memplament go karka memplament go hiblare memplament go oklega husu hichi chichi lokka husig lokka yobida kom nemplage ok bogum lodob ala gumiga lok in laham padub ala this genealogy shall be officially recognized as the origin of the Padu Bogumao clan. I mean higim lekuo hamba yeterdu palo ham mentekul in lasin hamba kitab baku officially higi Padu Bogumao clan hoka bogungumi lokham nenna husuga lokanenna aptanik lokanenna amla hiloga dukum na narwa him toluk dangna ok. Therefore house does not agree with the existence of two genealogical branches within one family that shares the same DNA and parents. I mean hoka kababaya na galo budpota gadde dumbalo ham mun mentuku hakna agumam ne nam ko ken lok iyak akne adin petu ok ala petu hogo banyo menam agmam galwa tolig matagna amin menarua munu padua galwa ok padua bogumawam la munu munu kabam banyo gen ma him narua alebe taitolaka and malakudang member dang na ok entire Galo Welfare Society committee parnangadam nunam aljaba ngunu budang na. Thank you.